Greetings. This is attorney Judith Delus, and I'm coming to you today to talk about our legal tip of the week. And what I've been getting lately from clients has been an issue of legitimation. In the state of Georgia, it is required that if you are not married to the woman that has your child, or if you guys do not get married within 12 months of the child's birth, that the father has to legitimize. That means that the father is now petitioning the court to say that I want rights to my child. And should anything happen, that they will be entitled to anything that other heirs are entitled to in terms of property or monies. In addition to that, it will also set up visitation rights as well as child support, if that has not already been put in place. A lot of times, child support is put in place without legitimation in the state of Georgia. However, legitimation gives the father their rights to their child, visitation, so on and so forth. A lot of times, people do not understand, not only fathers, but also mothers. They don't understand that in the state of Georgia, if you do not legitimize the child, it doesn't matter if the child has your last name. It doesn't matter that you signed a birth certificate. If you do not petition the courts in the state of Georgia, either with the mother agreeing to the legitimation or you on your own retaining an attorney, a family law attorney preferably, and getting legitimation petitions filed, then you will not have any rights to your child. And I know that this sounds unfair, and it is. But that is the law in the state of Georgia. It is imperative that fathers petition courts to ensure that their children are legitimized and ensure their father/parental rights are in effect. If you do not legitimize, that indicates that the mother at any point in time can leave the state of Georgia, can leave the country without requesting rights from permission from the father. That means that they don't have to request that you sign off for them to obtain a passport for the child to leave the state or for the child to leave the country. So as you can see, it is important as a father that you initiate and take responsibility for legitimizing your child in the state of Florida. In the state of Georgia. I want to share with you a story. I had someone come to me, client come to me a while ago where they had children who were in college and children who were in high school, and they had minor children as well, and said, well, I paid child support for all these children, and so why do I still have to legitimate? Well, the courts do not consider you to have those other children. So, for example, if you have an order put in place and the order says that you only have one child, if you have other children, but you were not married to the mother when the children were born, or you did not marry the mother a year after the child was born, and also you did not legitimize, then that means the courts don't consider you to have those children. So although you may be paying child support on behalf of the child every month, the courts will not take that into effect, which means that you will not get a deduction for those other children and the orders or payments that you are making regarding child support. So fathers, I ask that you take initiation, take responsibility, and be sure to petition the courts for rights and legitimize all of your children. And that is my legal tip for this week. And I hope that you will tune in for more tips that will come down the road. You can always reach me at 678-653-1121. We are located here in the beautiful downtown Decatur, which is a metro division outside of Atlanta, maybe 15-20 minutes. But always feel free to contact us for a phone consultation or an in-person consultation. I always look forward to helping and assisting fathers and mothers where I can. See you soon.